Now, getting back to some real business here, SpaceX has begun to accept $99 pre-orders for its Starlink satellite internet service. And they're chatting about potential IPO, upcoming IPO. You know, they believe is going to be a big business. I don't know if you knew that. Well, they believe.
It would make sense.
They believe that it might be, let me get you a number. Starlink could bring in revenue of $30 billion a year. 10 times the highest annual revenue it expects from its core rocket business. 10 times the revenue from its rockets. You see how this goes with SpaceX, Will? They need to make some cash.
Yes.
So they can keep shooting rockets up there.
Sure.
Then, you know, the rocket emoji, they got to do the actual emoji in real life.
Yes.
To the moon. Or better yet, to Mars. You got to fund it. And this is one of the ways by bringing internet to regions that previously had crap internet, if they had internet at all. Canada has been a target for it, making it more interesting to us. Of course, also parts of the United States and I believe parts of the UK, they want to roll it out to more, as you know, and they also want to do better on the price than the current offering. It's this little dish. It's a bit of a, I mean, you put the 99 down as the pre-order, but then it's going to cost you more. You know this. We covered this before. It's like close to $500 by the time you got the whole thing. Which to people who have had trash connectivity, they don't care. They're like, give it to me.
Yeah, in rural areas.
I'll take it.
Yeah.
But anyway, they're trying to open it up to a bigger audience. They're targeting coverage in many more areas, even though it's going to take time. They do say the $99 is fully refundable if for whatever reason it doesn't happen or if you want to back out. US, Canada, UK are going to be first, and a deposit doesn't guarantee service. The beta program for Starlink was priced at $99 a month and a $4.99 upfront cost. Now, maybe once it rolls out to a bigger audience, they can bring those costs down. I know that, like I said, that's been a target for the thing. It's funny, the order form looks a lot like Tesla's order form.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, when you go to do the pre-order on Starlink. SpaceX has been approved to launch 11,943 satellites, and the company hopes to deploy 4,425 into orbit by 2024. It is currently launched around 1,000. They got a long way to go. But how about this disclosure to the FCC last week? They say there's over 10,000 users in the United States and abroad already. 10,000 users is not nothing, Will, for a beta test.
No. I actually got an email from Starlink like 2 days ago saying that like our area is good. Like we can access the beta.
Got the right latitude?
Yes, absolutely.
So can they send it over? We give it a go?
Yeah, we just need to order it.
No, but we need to get in touch because it's going to take forever. We're going to go on a pre-order list.
Yeah, I'll see what I can.
We need to get in touch with the real Starlink people.
Okay, let me talk to Elon.
Yeah, call them up. It's a race, though, you know? It's a race. You heard about the court case, and Amazon was disputing some of the new alterations to where those satellites were going to live.
Yeah.
At which altitude and so forth. It's a race, man, to be the satellite internet service provider to get all these satellites up there. And so you know that SpaceX is going to have to move, and it looks like they are.